Hey, guys, I just finished another great session, binary options on Quotex. And if you want to find out what's the result, and it's pretty damn awesome, it's very dynamic and quick, and you're gonna love it. Watch the video till the end and you'll find out. Guys, let's start. My name's Oliver. Let's trade. Alright guys, we're gonna start with $247 here that I have on some uneven number today. Okay, I'm gonna start with a boom boom boom. We came to a support level there, so I'm gonna guess we're gonna bounce off it. So a call option here, although the stochastic, the MACD is showing us both of the lines are looking down, which is a pretty bearish situation, as you know, and basically what I would say is generally you would go down, but with a support level there present, we can guess that this probably will play a huge role in how it forms and how the graph forms. So, and as you can see, there it is. It goes up. And if we can be in that, even if it's a pullback, so because right now it looks like a flat, it's more like a flat kind of. So we just had a profit from this. $471. We're gonna jump on to the next one quickly. 471. Go to the next currency. Guys, just before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This helps hugely to the channel. Me and my team sharing years of experience here in the sessions and also in the Telegram group. You can find the link invitation in the description to this video, to this group, and check it out. It's got useful info. So you see this here. I'm gonna go ahead and make a put option here. So that doesn't make sense sometimes. We're looking at a nice MACD has shown us a nice, so it crossed. So a nice indication it crossed the slower line. It's showing that it's going up. Both of the lines are looking up. Then we have the strong trend, bullish trend formed, and then you go into the put option, because super trend there is showing us that the price is starting to go down. As you can see, the red switching the direction of the trend, so this helps sometimes. Let's wait for the result of this one and find out. And here is the profit, $890, guys, we have from this. And even if it was a pullback, so you see, this could have been just a pullback, but we have an indication from super trend, and it's nice if we can use it up, not just see it and kind of maybe, but we just used it up. We didn't waste any time and we made profit. That's pretty good, pretty damn good if you ask me. Whoa, 890, not 8k 900. Okay, so what we have here, it's growing trend, and then we have kind of, let's just change this time frame to 2 minutes even. Okay, so we got to this resistance level, and then it didn't have enough power, and now we're reaching a minor support level there. So I just jumped into to the call option from this bottom because there's a few support zones, levels, you can say. So right now we're reaching one, and if we bounce off it, even if it's for a pullback and then it continues going down, that's good enough for us. We just want to use this particular time frame, 1 minute. What happens in that 1 minute? This is the game. So let's find out what happens in this 1 minute. And here is the profit. 1,683 in total. This was a 89% payout, but pretty good. Pretty good. $1,000. Let's go to some shorter time frame view. 30 seconds. Let's go to this one. Okay, MACD there, showing us some nice indication. The bullish trend forming. We're gonna go with a call option for 1,000, and also this impulse, bullish impulse, is also pretty good. A super trend at this stage with 30 seconds. It's not gonna show us some good stuff, but let's wait for the result of this. But I'm positive it looks good. Here is the profit of this one, and it's $900 because it's 90% payout. So this is our, okay, let's go. So this was our profit, and it's pretty good. I'm happy about it. We're gonna continue. Yeah, so we have both of the indicators for the short, and we're just gonna go with it at this point. I don't think anything is against it, so yeah, we're just gonna wait for the result of this and continue. Here is the profit. That was, oh, actually we just got $4,383 already. That's awesome, guys. Let's jump to the next option, and gonna do it on here maybe. I think here we're trying to break the support levels. Let's go into the short. We're breaking through the support levels. MACD, both skews, and the super trend are both for the short, so we just go with it. 4,000. Let's wait for the result, guys. Here is the profit from this one. Almost 8,000 we got in this option. Totally. I mean, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget about the links in the description. Goodbye.